Hi students, today we can study mode. Already was studied in class 9. What is mode? We can check that. Mode of ungrouped data. I am taking one example. Some numbers 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5. Then again 3. I have written in here some numbers. What is mode means which number repeated more times. In here which number 3, 1, 2, 3 times. 3 repeated more times, isn't it? That means directly we can write mode equal to 3. What is mode means which number more time repeated, that number is known as mode. These things already was studied in class 9. But this year we are going to study is ungrouped data. We are going to study group data, mode of group data. For that we will use one formula. First we can see that formula. Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This formula we will use for find out mode of group data. Then what is L? Here. L equal to lower limit of model class. Model class. Then F1, that is frequency, F1 means highest frequency, highest frequency, highest frequency. Then FO is preceding frequency of model class. Then in here L means lower limit of model class. Then F1 is highest frequency. FO and F2. When you do one problem, that time you can understand what is FO and F2. H means class width. Only one thing, study by heart this formula. Exercise 14.2, question number 1. The following table shows the age of patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Age 5 to 15, number of patients 6, then 15 to 25, number of patients 11, like that. All the data given in here, we have to find out mode and mean. Two questions is there. We have to find out mode and mean. First we can do mode. Here for mode we know we need F1. F1 means highest frequency. Check it. In second column which number is highest number? 23, isn't it? This one we can write F1. F1 is 23. Then FO, otherwise F0, anything. Then just previous number. Which number? That is 21. 21. First find out F1, that is 23. Then preceding number means just previous number, that is 21. Then F2. F2 means next number, that is 14. This will be F2. Only one thing, first find out F1, previous number is FO, then next number is F2. Then H equal to class width of this class interval, that is 15 minus 5. How much you will get? 15 minus 5, you will get 10, isn't it? That is our class width model class equal to, what is model class? Check it, highest frequency is 23, isn't it? Then this will be our model class. Here highest frequency is 23, then same level, which interval, that is 35 to 45, that will be our model class. 35 to 45. Then L. L means lower limit of model class. What is lower limit of in here? 45 is upper limit, 35 is lower limit. We can write L equal to 35. Now we got all the variables in here. We can write mod equal to, one formula we are already studied. That formula is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Equal to L. L means 35 plus F1 minus FO. F1 is 23 minus FO is 21, all divided by 2F1. 2 into 23 minus FO is 21 minus F2 is 14 into H is 10. (35) plus 23 minus 21, you will get 2 divided by 2 into 23, 46 minus 21 minus 14, right, as it is, into 10. 35 plus 2 divided by, then 46 minus 21, 46 minus 21, 5 in here, 2, 25. Again you can subtract this minus 14 also, 1, 1, 11 into 10. (35) plus 2 into 10, 20, divided by 11. 35 plus, we can divide 20 divided by 11. 20 divided by 11, 1 time 11, 9. Add 1 0, 1 point. In 90, 8 times 8 into 11, 88, then 2. Add 1 0, 1 time 11, 9, again 0. In 90, 8 times. We will get 1.8, only write 1.8, that's enough, equal to 35 plus 1.8, 35.0. After point, in here one number is there, that's why, plus 1.8, 8.63, 36.8. We got answer 36.8. What will be our unit? Unit means EATs, isn't it? Approximately. This answer is not accurate answer because after point we can find out 8, 1, 8 again, isn't it? That means approximate value only. Answer is 36.8. Then we got now mode. We have to find out what? Again mean also we have to find out, isn't it? 2 questions are there. Now we can find out mean. See, second part of question number 1. We have to find out mean. We are using in here step deviation method. Already this data already given in question. First we will find out mid value. mid value xi, that is in between 5 and 15, 10, 15, 25, 20, in between 25 and 35, 30, 35, 45, 40, 45, 55, 50, 55, 65, 60. This number of patients is frequency. Next, from here we can take one number like assume mean. I am going to take 30. 30 A. UI we can write xi minus A divided by h. Already we have studied one shortcut. What you are taking assumed mean, that will be 0 UI. Then outside minus 1, this will be minus 2. Then 1, 2 is 3. Then next column is UI into FI. We can multiple 6 into 2. 6 into minus 2, minus 12. Then 11 into minus 1, minus 11. 21 into 0, 0. 23 into 1, 23. Then 14 into 2, 28. 5 into 3, 15. Our table already finished. Now we can find out sum of Fi, that is n. N equal to, we can add 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 4, 15 plus 5, 20. Remainder 2. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 6 plus 2, 8. N we will get 80. Then sum of UI Fi, I equal to 1 to n equal to, first are only negative numbers, that is 12 plus 11. 12 plus 11, you will get 23. Minus 23, because 12 and minus 12 and 11 negative numbers, isn't it? That's why minus 23. Now we can add positive numbers 23, 28, 15. 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus 5, 6, 1, then 5, 6. You will get 66. Then 66 minus this 23. You can subtract 3, 4. You will get 43 plus 43. 5 plus means in here 66 is big number, that sign is plus, isn't it? That's why we will get sum of UIFI equal to 43. Here A equal to, assumed mean already we took 30. 30. N equal to 80. Sum of UIFI, I equal to 1 to n equal to 43. Then H. H means class width. What is class width? 35 minus 25, you will get 10. Otherwise 45 minus 35, you will get 10. Isn't it? Then class width will be 10. Directly we can write. Then mean x bar, mean we will represent by x bar. That formula is A plus sum of UIFI, I equal to 1 to n divided by n into x. A we can write, that is 30 plus sum of UIFI is 43 divided by n. N is 80 into age is 10. 0 and 0 cancel. Then 30 plus, we can divide 43 by 8. 43 by 8. Then in 43, 8 how many times? 5 times. 5 into 8, 40. Then 3. 3 divided by 8, we cannot do. Add 1 0, same time, 1 point. In 30, how many times 8? 3 times. 3 into 8, 24. Then 6 0. In 60, 7 times, we will get 56. Then 4 0. In 40, 5 times. 5.375 equal to, we can add 30 plus 5.375. 30 plus 5, 35. 35.375. What is our unit? Unit is years. Then we can write, therefore, maximum number of patients admitted are age of, which age? That means we are talking about mode. Mode, already we got mode, isn't it? That is 36.8 years. Then mode means which number repeated more times, that is known as mode, isn't it? That's why we can write maximum number of patients. We can see one example. This is like one example means in here what is mode? 3 will be mode because 3 repeated 3 times, more times, isn't it? That means 3 will be more. Same like that. In here we can write maximum number of patients admitted, age of 36.8. Then average age of patient admitted. Average means mean. Mean we got it 35.375 years. That is our answer. Now we can see question number 2. The following data gives the information of the observed lifetime in hours of 225 electrical components. And here one data given lifetime of electrical component, then frequency. That means how many electrical components. That means 0 to 20 hours, 10, and 20 to 40, 35, like that. We have to find out model lifetime of components. Mode we have to find out. Check it. You will get one answer. The unit of that answer maybe you will get 60. Unit will be from this first column. That is hours. You will get 60 hours like that. Unit keep in mind from this first column. We can do solution here. F1. F1 means highest frequency. Check it. Which number is highest number? 61. Isn't it? We can take that is F1. 61. Then FO. FO means preceding number. That is 52. F2 means next number. That is 38. F2. Model class equal to, what will be model class? In here which one is highest frequency? That is 61. That time this class interval 60 to 80 will be our model class. 60 to 80. Then L. From model class we can find out lower limit of this class interval. What is lower limit? 60. 60 is lower limit, 80 is upper limit. Then age. Age means class width. We can find out from here 80 minus 60. You will get 20. From anywhere. From here also 20 minus 0, 20. Otherwise from here 40 minus 20, you will get 20. Class width will be always equal. Mod equal to L plus F1 minus FO divided by 2 into F1 minus FO minus F2 into H. Equal to L. L means 60 plus F1 is 61 minus FO is 52 divided by 2 into F1 is 61 minus FO is 52 minus F2 is 38 into H is 20. 60 plus 61 minus 52, 9. 2 into 61, 1, 2, 2, 122. If you multiple 2 and 61, you will get 122. Then minus 52 minus 38 into 20. Keep in mind, this 52 minus 38 don't do, because this is not 52, that is minus 52, isn't it? Then if you are doing means first add 52 plus 38, then give minus. Otherwise first do it 2 into 61, then 122 minus 52 you can do. 122 minus 52, 0, 12 minus 5, 7, 70. If you do this part you will get 70. 70 minus again 38, 2, 32. 60 plus 9 divided by 32 into 20. 60. This 32 and 20 cancel using by 4. In 24 5 times. In 32 8 times. 9 into 5, 45 divided by 8. 60 plus, you can divide 45 divided by 8. How many times? 5 times, isn't it? 5 into 8, 40. 5, add 1 0, 1 point. In 50, how many times 8? 6. 48, then 2, 0. In 20, 2 times. 2 times 2 into 8, 16, and 4 0 in 4, 40, 5.625 equal to 60 plus 5.625. That means 60 plus 5, 65. 625. That is our answer. Then what will be our unit? Already I told starting time, isn't it? That is hours from first column. And therefore, model lifetime of components equal to 65.625. This is our answer.